What's up, collectors? Welcome back to Unwrap the Wrap. Today we have a massive double seller mail day. We are cracking open two completely different packages from one of the best hobby shops out there, which is Toonie Wheels and Cars and Dolls. Let's rock and roll. Whenever we have these packages from Toonie Wheels, they have this good cardboard placed at every corners of the box. A thank you note from Toonie Wheels. The bubble wrap is nicely packed. So we have the Beast Lamborghini Aventador Limited Edition Matte Black. This is Mini GT 1087. We have here in hand. Now let's open the second package of the day, which is from Cars and Dolls. They have this bubble wrap for the corners. Let's unpack. There are two die cast. One is the Kaido house. So first is the same, the Mini GT Aventador. So probably we are going to mint this box and open one for the video. And the next is Nissan Fairlady Z Kaido GT Police. A good package. Kaido House, as always, they have good display case. I'm waiting for this when I'm going to unbox this piece. So as said, we are going to mint one and one we are going to open it. Two completely different packages from two different hobby shops, but one epic mail day. Huge shout out to Toonie Wheels and Cars and Dolls, securing this piece for the garage. If you loved this double unboxing, slam the like button, subscribe to Unwrap the Wrap, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.